Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie. Today is a day where I'm going to get rid of 2 of these boxes, my purge boxes. So these are the results of the page kit declutter. I have 2 boxes called page kits. How can you get your hands on these? You must email me at creativelycraftedlife@gmail.com with your full name and address, full address. Partial address, just saying, yeah, I'm interested, doesn't count. You just will be skipped over. First 2 people that do so will get the box, no cost to you. I will mail this to you probably within about a week. We'll see how things go. And yeah, I don't think I need to put a deadline or anything on here because they usually go really fast. Once the boxes are claimed, I will add a little disclaimer on top of the video just saying that it's closed so that if you're watching this in the future, you know that is what has happened. Okay, so easy peasy, right? Just email me at creativelycraftedlife@gmail.com, your name, address, only US. And if you've won a box previously, please just put that in the note or in the email. Preference is going to go to those who have not received a box. And if nobody does claim and you have submitted an email, then you'll get the box, right? So we're just trying to spread the wealth a little bit, and I'm relying on your on your honesty to claim that for me, because I can't possibly keep track of everybody who's received a box in the past. So anyways, thank you very much for doing that. And I have a few more boxes to go, so stay tuned. These will pop up sporadically. Thanks again, you guys. And until next time, happy crafting.